Hi viewers, this is Phone Clinic, and today I'm going to teach you how to use your Tecno T528 as an audio Bluetooth device for loudspeaker. Now, if you want to do this, the first thing you do is you go to your phone settings. On the both phones, you switch on the Bluetooth of the two phones together. You switch the Bluetooth on. Then the next step is you use one of the devices to search for an audio for a Bluetooth device. Start searching. Now this is the name of the desired phone that is going to send the audio, and then you pair. Now you can see pair, and this also. Can see it's connected. It is now connected. You can see connected now. You can exit it, and then you can use this now to send audio signal, and you enjoy your music. Now you can see. See, there's no music playing here, but this you use this to control it. You can see use this one to control the music. You can see. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.